It's your girl Robin, and today I'm hopping on here single without my hubby, but that's because I wanted to get you some bonus content. So after we posted our things not to pack for your Carnival Cruise video, we realized we left out some very important items that could get your bags flagged, could get you denied boarding, or worse, could even get you arrested. So I could not leave you hanging. I had to jump on here real quick to give you these quick bonus items. Now, if you didn't have a chance to watch our original video, make sure that you click the link. I'm going to link it here so that you can check it out because it's so important. Now, the first thing is not going to get you, it's not going to get you kicked off. It's not going to get you arrested, but it's just something good to know because it might hurt your feelings really bad. All right. So the first thing I want you to know to not bring is any homemade food or perishables. Now, I don't want you to spend all your time in the kitchen cooking all these snacks and putting them in little cute Ziploc bags, or maybe even if one of your family members made you your favorite dessert. Unfortunately, Carnival does not allow those homemade food items on board, and that's for health and safety reasons. So everything has to be prepackaged and sealed. So the good news is that you can bring food. It just has to be prepackaged and sealed. Now, there's going to be plenty of food options around, so don't worry about trying to bring too much food items. Me, because I do have some food sensitivities. I'm dairy free and egg free and almond free. I do try to bring some snacks just to make sure that I have something to eat. But for most of you, there's plenty of food on board, so don't worry about that. That shouldn't be a huge deal. Now, the next two things are things that could get you really in trouble. Not only confiscated, not only banned, but some of them even arrested. Yes, you heard me, arrested. So the second bonus thing I want to remind you not to bring is any weapons or self-defense items. Now I know that many of you may carry weapons for your protection on a day-to-day basis, and you may just that they're just such a common thing you may forget that you have them. But please know that no weapons are allowed on the boat or anything that appears like a weapon. And then also no self-defense items. So if you ladies, if you carry around pepper spray on your keychain or in your purse, make sure those things are removed. Anything like a taser, all of those things are a big no. Even small keychain weapons will be confiscated. So you might get pulled aside during embarkation, and if depending on what it is, it could lead to you getting kicked off or banned or even arrested. We do not want that for you, okay? So just double check and make sure that nothing has any type of weapon on it or that can be perceived as a weapon. And then the final bonus item that I wanted to make sure that I brought up, because this surprises a lot of people. The number three bonus item not to bring is any marijuana or CBD products. And I know this surprises a lot of people because in a lot of places, especially in the United States, these items are now legal. But any cannabis or CBD product is banned on cruises. That's because they still go under the federal law. And then also there are many of the ports that you visit, it's also illegal as well. So that includes marijuana or CBD in any form. So that's edibles, oils, gummies. You can get denied boarding or even face serious legal trouble at the port. And that's when you embark and as well as when you get on and off the port. So don't be like, okay, I'm not going to bring it when I come, but I'm going to find a source when I get to port and try to bring it back on. They do have dogs that sniff this out and other means to do that. So I highly recommend that you do not try to do this. Do not try to get away with this. You don't want to ruin your vacation and get kicked off or banned for this. So, bring some essential oils to calm you down, something else, some kind of alternative product, but no marijuana or CBD products. I want you to be able to enjoy your whole vacation. So there you have it. Those are three more cruise packing mistakes to avoid. If you missed the full list, check out our original video linked below or in the description. And if this helps, make sure that you give it a like, subscribe, so that you can get notified when there are more cruise tips. And we will see you on board. Peace.